Hello kayo dyan mga friends. Andito kami sa Atok. We are here in Atok. Pasyal-pasyal. Kaya naman puro fog lang makikita niyo dyan because it's raining. Ito po yung mga craft ng ating mga kaninunong mga igorots. Ang ganda oh. Super pretty. Ganda. For your eyes only. Oh my god, there's snake. Oh, may mga snake. Itong snake yan? Snake wine. OMG. Marami palang dumadaan dito. 1,080. Anong tawag ng mga yan? Friends, kung papunta pala ng Atok, ito yung way going to Northern Blossom. So yun, sa mga gustong pumunta ng Northern Blossom, please let me know kasi meron tayong mga nagtutour papunta doon, package na yun. So yes, excited na rin ako makita yung Northern Blossom. Napakatagal na, siguro mga 5 years ago pa kami nakapunta doon. But anyway, so going to Northern Blossom, kung you know, you want to have coffee, tapos ganito yung view mo, oh, diba? Look at the view. I mean, foggy, ganun. Pwede kayong mag-stop dito sa Atok Arabica. It's a coffee shop. Tsura niya, my friend. Oh, diba? Cozy. Very cozy. Ayan, oh. Dito na kami sa Northern Blossom. Pasok na. Okay. So we will wait. Okay lang, may video? Yeah, there's another one. Anong flower yan?
Snow dragon.
Snow dragon. Oh, yeah. Ano na ba pangalan nito? Statis. Yeah, statis. I thought you already have the ticket. Yeah.
We assign a tour guide in every station to assist you. So if you need assistance in taking of photos, please ask them. If you can't go around at the farm, please ask them also where is the easiest way going to the exit area. Expect that the farm is open, so some portion is very mud. Please be careful in walking because the farm is terraces. Expect going down and going up. Upon arrival at the exit area, you can see the coffee station to claim your complimentary snack. We have the unlimited broad coffee and then limited bread only. In case may mangyari po sa inyo, please ask our farm tour guide to assist you earlier po. No time limit in roaming around at the farm. So please grab the opportunity to take a photos in every station because I said you cannot go back anymore at the entrance. We have the proper exit to claim your complimentary snack. We allow you to hold and touch the flowers but do not pick any flowers there. Okay, so please surrender all your entrance stuff, the rest at the coffee area.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, if you are ready to go, please proceed going down.
So we're done with the orientation. And now it's let's start with the with the beginning. So mga friends, we've been here. We were here I think 2019, before pandemic. So, ibang-iba na siya ngayon. Ayan, so 2019 kami pumunta. Ibang-iba sa ngayon. Of course, this is a Northern Blossom Flower Farm. Ayan po ang ating makikita. Ang lalaki ng flower. Grabe. Oh. Tinatawag to ni tatay na ano eh. Cabbage. Cabbage. Rose. Rose cabbage. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Foggy. Masyadong ma-foggy, my friend. We cannot see the background. Maganda yung background niyan. Over. Ano siya, mountainous. Talagang kitang-kita mo yun. Pero ngayon kasi maulan. Kaya hindi natin makita. Alright. Dito natin makita yung cabbage. Rose cabbage. Hindi makain. It's just, flower cabbage. Ha? Sayang yung pagpunta namin no kasi umuulan mo friend. Kaya naman, Diyos ko Lord, may mga payong-payong. Yan po ang Malaysian ma'am. So punta kayo dito. The entrance fee is 250. Tapos coming here, meron naman kayo masakyan ng mga van, ganyan. Pero kung gusto niyo yung private, meron po kayong statis. Kung private naman, yung kayo lang, ganyan. Meron kayong makukuha na papunta dito. Depende sa dami. So, kung 2-3 lang kayo, pwede na sa mga 4,000. Ganun. Maghapon na yun. Marami pang pupuntahan ng mga spots here in Atok. Ayan, let's go to Statis. Gusto ko din tong Statis na to. Walang white, yellow, pink. You can touch the flower but you cannot pick. Sabi. Daisies din. I think this is also daisies. This is din ang tatlo na. Hindi naman din carnation. It's, if you're coming here at this time around, you have to bring boots. Kasi para yung paglalakad nyo safe. Kasi maputik siya mga kaibigan, no? Ayun. Siyempre, present pa rin ang ating kapayungan mga friends. Worth it naman talaga ang 250 na entrance din. Pero kapag ganitong umuulan, Diyos ko Lord, diba? Kasi madulas yung daan eh. Kaya kailangan talaga nakabuta kayo. And let's go to the to the sky. Let's go to the sky.
The name of Ann Curtis' daughter.
This is also cabbage rose, mga friend. Pero jutando siya sa no? Isa na siyang Jurassic.
Grabe, amoy na amoy mo.
Ha?
Amoy na amoy mo yung cabbage.
It's really cabbage. Cabbage, but you can... Hindi muna tayo magluluto ngayon, mga kaibigan. Ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ang aking garden. Let's go! Ito yung mga garden ko, mga kaibigan. So, matagal kasi walang ulan, no? Kaya nangitim na talaga siya. Pero yan, inuutusan ko na po si dyan, ang taga-spray. At kung nagugutom naman kayo, maraming sayote. Sayote! Namatay man, sayang. Yeah,
Parang
let's go
nahangin.
to the other farm, mga kaibigan, yung aking garden din. Hindi kayo dito. Dandahan lang, baka maligis kayo. Mapiang. Your beautiful garden, mga kaibigan. Ito po yung kagabi, ang ulam kasi ng malakas. Ano naman yung ganyan, oh? Ang lawak ba? Ang lawak na aking garden. Wala ko naman sa kusina, ang kinabing tambok. Ah! In here, oh my God. Ganda. I forgot the name of this flower, but this is pretty.
Yeah.
And we also have kalabasa, mga kaibigan. Ayan o, hindi pa siya namunga. Dito?
May daan din doon, oh. Pero dito na lang.
Hindi, andito tayo. Bumabakang tayo.
Mabalik ta.
Ah, may daan.
Yeah, may daan doon.
Let's go there.
You want to go there?
Oh. No?
Yeah. Sure. Wait lang guys, sorry.
Ay, pwede bangon ako. Atay. Maganda rin to.
Ano kaya yan?
Baka gusto niya magpakuha ng picture doon si si Abo. Ano ang pinili pangalan niya, Abo?
Ado?
Abo?
Ado.
Dito parang napabayaan nila. Siguro ang lakas ng hangin.
Oo.
Ha? Tsaka nangitim na sa ba? This is for something mo, Malaysian month din. Pabayaan. And of course, my friend, nandito tayo sa Benguet. Libre talaga ang
Shote.
Here, you can get udlot. You can get udlot here there for free. You can just sausaw in the bagoong. Very, very good. Very, very good. You do like this, there's fruit inside. But for now, nothing. Oh, here's the baby's bread fruit. Baby's bread here. Ay, there's no ano na. Walang daan.
Tandaan?
Oh. Before there's daan here. But then, no more.
We go back. Asa mang kamudalan?
Here, here. Come. Ano kaya ito? Ano, baby's bread yan.
Oo.
Yung nilalagay sa ano.
Sa mga bouquet.
At dito lang po kayo makakakita ng flower. I mean, ang kahoy na patay pero green. Kahoy na patay pero green ang baba. Diba? And my friend, I'll show you the $100 plant. Okay? We get this from America. You see? This is $100. $100.
Ito, oh.
Yeah, $100 plant. But it should be like bilog-bilog talaga. I don't know why it's not bilog-bilog. Ah! We're so nakakapagod na friend. Alright. Uy, maalala mo po? Yan yung picture natin. Dati. No more. Oh, there's a Danan, oh. If you want to go there, you can use that.
May butterfly.
Baby's breath, baby's breath. And then this one is a putu-putu. We don't know the name. Ay! Diyan ako eh. Batay. Ah, nagpa-picture siya doon. Nagpa-picture siya. Can you take picture for me?
Kaluin niya, no? Ano naman mag-isa siya?
Oo, mag-isa niya, no? Pero, maganda rin siguro ang ganyan. Pag nag-graduate ka na ba?
Ayoko naman mag-isa.
Hindi, yung all by yourself na mag-explore ka. Bakit? Ayaw mo?
Feel ko boring.
Bakit naman? Hindi.
Parang the journey is better if you have company
Sabagay.
to talk to about the journey.
Oh, here's the sayote, my friend. But I think this one is ano na.
Ma!
Ang ganda nito.
Rosemary.
Oh, rosemary. Oh my God, let's get one. Sabag.
No, hindi pwede.
Ha? Nakaon po naman.
Nanay mong ano, magnanakaw ng...
Yeah, I think the plants, they are sick. Call the doctor very quick. Ano to, Rose? Is that the end? Ay. Ano yan? Cypress? Or rosemary too? Cypress. I think it's cypress. Hindi na ako mag-picture. Mag-ano lang ako. If you want, we will take your picture there. Hana, you take picture from him. I'll go there, ha? Hanalin, samahan mo muna siya. Oh, yeah, it's nice there. The view over there. So, ayan siya mga friends. Malapit na kaming matapos sa aming ang aming mini adventure here in Northern Blossom. So, punta na kami sa coffee area. Ayan siya mga friend, Maganda din yung million flowers. There are million flowers. This is cabbage roses. But you cannot eat. And kulimlim at saka mapagi. Ang ganda talaga dyan, Kita-kita sana natin. But anyway, that's the Northern Blossom. This is, I thought it's rosemary. Is it rosemary? Yes, it is rosemary, no? Akala ko pine tree. OMG. Are you sure? Yeah, rosemary talaga. Pwede manguha. Hindi naman i-inspection yung bag. Ang ganda po, ha? Yeah. This is just a station where, you can rest. Ay, dito ako po. Do you see a money tree? That's a money tree. Huh? Everlasting. Oh, nice. Beautiful.
magpicture.
Ganda, no? Ikaw din, picturean kita. Doon ka sa dulo, oh.
Ayoko. I don't like na. Kapoy na kaayo ang
Nasaan ako ng battery?
the platform.
Oh my gosh, this is different. Ano ba ito? Dusty? Oh! Kakaiba siya. Dusty daw ang pangalan nito mga friends kasi mukha naman siyang Dusty, no? So this is the flower of Elsa. Frozen, right? Frozen flower. Mukha siyang na-frozen. Hmm. So yun mga friends, tapos na kami dito sa Northern Plaza. This is the nursery area. Meron siyang libreng kape. Ay,